All right, so now you done found the ARV to the property. You know how to do that. You understand what comps are. And now, before you make an offer, how much rehab does the property need? How do you calculate the offer, right? How do you come up with a good rehab estimate over the phone so you can lock up the deal? Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you a rehab formula to help you understand how to price out a rehab over the phone without even seeing the property. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Gaither Hendricks, and I help new people wholesale real estate by giving you information to help you find and close deals. All right, so before we get started, keep in mind, hit that like and subscribe button. It just lets me know if you really enjoy the content, if this content's really helping you. Only hit it if the content's really helping you, okay? I don't want no fake subscribers, all right? Just real people learning how to wholesale real estate by just the information we give you, okay? Keep in mind, okay, before we even get started, I want to back up. Quick disclaimer, all right? Sellers really do not understand what it really takes to rehab a property. A lot of these individuals are just regular folks, and you actually know more than they do when it comes to rehab costs, okay? But keep in mind now, sellers is not going to tell you the whole truth, and it's really just a mechanism to protect themselves. They're not lying, they're just protecting themselves. I've been in sales for a while and I understand how that goes. So level one is what I call a light rehab, all right? And it's cosmetic, meaning that the property might need new floors, it might need painting, it might need drywall put up, things like that. That is what I call light rehab, cosmetic rehab, stuff like that. A good way to calculate that when somebody says it just needs painting, flooring, stuff like that, you want to use either $15 to $20 per square foot of your subject property, okay? So what that does, the 15 to 20 just gives you a good idea, and whatever that math is. So hold on, let's do the math. I'm gonna do the math for you. All right, so the math for $15 to $20 per square foot on something that's cosmetic. So say for example, your subject property is 2,000 square feet. You want to times that by 15 and you want to times that by 20, and that gives you a good range on what the rehab estimate is, and that will be anywhere from $30,000 to $40,000 if the subject property is 2,000. All right, so level two is considered like I say, light rehab plus like bathrooms, kitchen, all that needs to be redone. So what you want to do, you want to use $25 to $35 per square foot. That's actually going to come out between $50,000 to $60,000 as far as a rehab cost. And then when you get to level three, which is foundation, HVAC, roof, all the windows replaced, knocking out walls, drywalls, all the floor, the subfloor needs to be pulled up in order to put the new floor down. You're going to use anywhere from $35 to $45 per square foot, okay? And that's going to come out to anywhere to $70,000 to $80,000, all right? Now keep in mind, this is just a general rule of thumb in order to help you get a good idea on what rehab cost is, okay? say short. So just keep in mind, y'all, if you guys get value from these short videos, because I don't want you hanging on YouTube all day. I want you to be action takers, implementers, okay? I don't want you getting on here watching 100 videos before you even make your first call. That's why I make my videos very short, so you can kind of get to the point, and if you got to go back, it's not a long way. So like I say, if you're getting value from this, hit that like and subscribe button. And also, if you want to know what the market value is before you actually implement this, watch this video right here. This video right here will help you determine the market value, so that way you understand what your rehab cost is fully. But that is a rule of thumb. Keep in mind, level 1, 15 to 20, level 2, 25 to 30, and level 3 should be $35,000 to $40,000, okay, as far as per square footage. So use that. Keep in mind, guys, keep hustling. It's a marathon, not a race. Patience finds your pace. Peace.